Hey everybody! Again, this is Flora from Aviara Apartments. Welcome to another virtual tour of our 1-bedroom, 1-bath home. Today I'm touring a Delta floor plan and I'm so excited to show you this unit because it has a gorgeous scenery and let's get started. So as we get started, to the left you have your kitchen here. The kitchens are very similar or about the same on Delta floor plans. So you have large cabinets, you have lots of counter space, lots of cabinet space, this beautiful breakfast bar here as you're looking into the living room. And it's pretty decent size breakfast bar, so you actually are enjoying your breakfast or you're working from home now and you can use this as a desk, which is amazing. And you can have some nice bar stools here. What's different on this floor plan is the hardwood style flooring in this room, and you have great lighting here. And if you go out here, you get to see this gorgeous view of these trees and lots of greenery here. And this one is facing north, so you're going to be facing more of closer to the street. And we're going into the balcony. Look at this gorgeous large balcony. I mean, this is a lot of space, so time to party in here. So as you're going outside, this is our alleyway to get to the building, to our parking garage. So nice greenery here. Look at this beautiful sky out here. Again, look at that size of the balcony. So this is a little bit larger because it's on third floor, so it's a bit larger than our normal balconies, but still our balconies are quite large. So as you walk into the bedroom here, decent sized queen size bed would fit in here. This has carpet, really easy to maintain carpet. This has one-way shades in here. These are 50% one-way shades. Again, waking up to this is not too shabby. It's really nice. And you have this nice closet here. So you have one of the long standing hanging. You can hang on clothes or you can fold clothes on here. It's really awesome, lots of space, plus a little storage up top. The built-in shelves is pretty great. And then you do have a closet in here, as we saw with all of our Delta floor plans. You have a closet, you have a washer and dryer, stackable washer and dryer here. Really nice. And then we have our nice bathroom. Again, with our Delta floor plans, majority of them do come with this nice additional shelving in here and has some extra storage. And bathtub. Again, thank you so much again for joining us and taking a look at our virtual tour of this Delta floor plan. What I'm trying to do here is to capture pretty much almost every floor plan that we have here at Aviara. What's great about that is that it's not going to be helpful just during our pandemic time. It's going to be helpful anytime that you want to pre-lease a home. This is another great way of touring without being present here. If you're out of state or out of town and you can't make it to the tour or you can't make it physically to be here in the building, this is another great way of seeing it live while me touring and walking you through are these great floor plans. Again, if you have any questions, do let us know. Have a great day.